You are welcome to this lecture. I believe you enjoyed the first lecture. Now, before I go into the practical sessions where I'll be describing practically online how I've been doing on-page SEO, I want you to look at something in this particular lecture. Now, some 3 months ago, this is my blog, chesonwitali.com. is a Christian personal development blog. Now, some 3 months ago, I noticed the traffic to my blog was low. From the search engine was low. I was not getting enough traffic, so I felt, what should I do? I decided to study SEO. There are so many parts to SEO, but I felt I should start from on-page SEO. Now, I started with that. I studied. Now, I want you to know something. The average position, this is an image taken from Google Search Console. Now, let me tell you, must register for this and also claim your property, that is, claim your blog on this, so that you can be able to check the situations about your blog from this. Now, from the Google Search Console. Now, some 3 months ago, the average position of my blog was about 55 or so. That was the average position. Now today is about 23.2. Now it shows a significant improvement in my search engine rankings. Now I want you to look at something. Now, after I began to use some local keywords, key phrases, some local long form key phrases, then long tail key phrases, I decided to use what I called Christian Ministries in Nigeria. I wrote an article on it, and I carried out some of the things I learned about on-page SEO while I was developing this article and developing this page on my blog. Now today my blog is ranking in #1 position for this keyword, Christian Ministries in Nigeria. So that shows an improvement in my search engine ranking. Just like I mentioned in the first lecture, there will be an improved local result, local search result. So this is one of them. People searching for Christian Ministries in Nigeria, my blog and my website will come up first. Now I want you to look at another key phrase I used some 3 months ago. I call it Nigerian Christian Story Blogs. I developed a page around this particular key phrase, and today my blog is ranking in the #1 position. You can see it here. It's ranking in the #1 position. Now that shows an improvement in my local search results and an improvement in traffic to my website. Now I also did another work on another key phrase which I called Christian Blogs in Nigeria. Today my blog is ranking in the #7.8 position in Google search engine. Now that is another important result I've achieved in just 3 months. Now I want you to look at another keywords I use. This is not really a local key phrase, but I decided some 2 months ago, I built an article and I built a page around this key phrase, to my encounter with Jesus. And today my blog is ranking in the number 8.7 position. Now you can see there are so many other keywords or key phrase that I'm ranking. My blog is ranking in the first page, on the first page of Google. Now Google search. Now this was not so some months ago, but because of the fact that I took actions, I studied on-page SEO and I took actions, and today the story has changed. Now I believe I've been able to use the first 2 lectures of this course to get you excited about this course. Now I want you to meet me in the classroom in the talk lecture.